क्या होगा हमारे देश का। He's smoking as well as spitting. "40 seconds left." Ah, come on, dude. You shouldn't have done that. वाह, ओह माय गॉड, पूरा बंच निकल गया है। फंसेंगे तो झुंड में फंसेंगे, मुझे कोई डर नहीं है।
झुंड बना के चलो, झुंड बना के।
बाप रे बाप रे बाप रे, अरे रे रे, क्या हो गया ये। I mean, there was no respect of that signal. Renology. It looks like a one-room kitchen.
मतलब कुछ भी।
See? क्या होगा हमारे देश का।
अबे कहाँ मुड़ रहा?
दिन दहाड़े। I mean, like, so many people are around. It's like a busy street, heavy traffic. People are walking on the footpath and he's just standing on the footpath and doing his business. I understand, maybe it must be an emergency or something, but still, think about the ladies who must be feeling like this. They don't even have an option. I don't think so that's an excuse. Whoa, Maybach. The old one looks amazing. Guys, you're supposed to walk on the other side of the white line, yeah, and I'm supposed to ride on the other side of the white line. Such a hypocrite.
हिपोक्रेसी की भी सीमा होती है।
You know what subway is this? This is the same subway जिसके बारे में हम लोग every year न्यूज़पेपर में आता है that it is flooded and some cars and some rickshaws are floating in the water. This is that same subway, the अंधेरी वाला subway. वाह, सब लोग फॉलो कर। अरे बाप रे, I spoke too soon. Look at that. Bloody something went inside my eye, yeah. Why you all have to go and stand there? Might as well just सुन लिया उसने बात।
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास।
चलो, मालूम है भाई, ग्रीन हो गया। कुछ हुआ नहीं कि बस चालू, जैसे हम लोग को तो इधर ही घर बसाना है। ओह, didn't see that coming. What the hell? Oh shoot, man, it's like crazy crowded. Let's go from here then today. Ah, shucks. Let's see, maybe self. Oh. Okay, hence people walk on the road.
अरे सुधरो रे अभी तो।
यार डेरेंगे यार तुम लोगों में। Don't want to honk, as I understand that there is no space for them to walk because of, oh Jitendra, man, this is the biggest mistake ever. It's coming true. Like, look at that and look at this, and Amit ji is just listening to music as if nothing has happened. Should have just gone from the top, yeah. From next time onwards, I'm not coming down. ये रोज का है क्या?
चलता रहता है 15 मिनट हो गए।
वही बोल रहा हूँ, ये ऐसा रोज का है। मैंने गलती कर दिया, मैं ऊपर था। मीरा रोड वही ना, उधर गर्दी था इसलिए मैं इधर आ गया, अब यहाँ फंस गया।
हाईवे पे क्या है, रुकता नहीं, गाड़ी चलता रहता है।
अब मैं अब पीछे भी नहीं जा सकता। फाइनली सम मूवमेंट। वो I don't know if you guys saw that. But that stone really went fast. Like, poof. You know who? Of course. They are not limited to one particular motorcycle anymore, or a scooty. Spread. Oh ho ho ho. Oh ho ho ho. Absolutely. Why not? Invention of Pushpa. Absolutely, bro. Wow, why not? Yes, yes, please, please enjoy. I'm not over here to speed up with you, but thank you for giving me some content. And this is the line where you should be stopping. And let's come. Oh, see, after a long time I saw someone wearing a helmet like this. मुझे लगा था कि सुधर गए होंगे। वो वहाँ तक गए हो तो चले ही जाओ। Really? Where is he standing? See. Whoa! Are you all crazy? Whoa! Is this a new fashion of keeping your mirrors like that? I've seen a lot of people doing that, especially on scooties. God knows what they want to see in that mirror. बहुत दूर हो तुम। चैनल से नाम है
ओ चुचिंदर, सारा भाई चुचिंदर।
Oi. People are so lost in the telephone. Why you do that? Arey, he's smoking as well as spitting.
अक्का पब्लिक को मालूम।
Oh, of course.